Ever found yourself staring at a tie, feeling completely baffled? Don't worry, you're not alone. Tying a tie can seem like a daunting task, but it's actually quite simple once you know the steps. Let's break it down. Before we dive into the steps, let's get familiar with the parts of a tie. The wide end, the longer end of the tie, the narrow end, the shorter end of the tie. The Windsor knot is a popular choice for formal occasions. Let's learn how to tie it. Drape the tie, place the wide end over the narrow end, crossing it over to the right. Bring it up, bring the wide end up and over the narrow end. Pass it through. Pass the wide end down through the front loop. Bring it up again, bring the wide end up and through the neck opening. Pull it through, pull the wide end down through the front loop again. Gently tighten the knot by pulling down on the wide end. Want to try something different? Check out these other popular tie knots. Half Windsor, a simpler knot for less formal occasions, 4 in hand, a quick and easy knot for everyday wear. Here are some tips to perfect your tie tying skills. Practice makes perfect. The more you practice, the easier it will become. Mirror, mirror. Use a mirror to guide your hands. Tie length. Adjust the length of the tie to your preference. And there you have it. Tying a tie doesn't have to be a mystery. With a little practice, you'll be a tie-tying pro in no time. Now go out there and conquer the world, one tie at a time. End with a confident pose from the man. On-screen text, master the art of tie tying, call to action, subscribe for more style tips. Music fades out.